All right, FM3 owners, we have us a Firmware Tuesday. FM3 firmware version 7.00 Beta 1 was released today at 12:47 p.m. and it pretty much mirrors AXFX3 firmware 22.00. Added Dynacab cabinet modeling. Amp block now features auto Dynacab impedance. Added treble shift control to tone page of USA 2C Plus models. Added speaker impedance curves for 2x12 Class A 30-watt silver, 2x10 Hartke, and 4x12 1960 BV. Added 4-band JM Pre-1 type to graphic EQ block. And then here's the fun one, guys. Added Rev Gen amp models based on a Rev Generator 120. There are 3 models for each of the purple, red, and green channels, corresponding to the 3 levels of the aggression switch, and improved amp block channel switching speed. And there was also some fixes too. With this update, we now have more amp models on the FM3 than either of the 2 other models. The AXFX3 does not have the green channels of the Rev Generator, so that's a little something extra for us for right now. Now I'll have links for the new firmware, the new version of FractalBot, and the new FM3 Edit. What you need to do is install FM3 Edit first and let it do its thing. Then you'll install the regular firmware version for the FM3 using FractalBot within FM3 Edit. Or if you want to, you can use the standalone FractalBot, but it's just easier doing it within FM3 Edit. Once you get done doing the regular firmware install for the FM3, you'll have to reboot it, so then you'll have to come back and install the Dynacab's sysx file, and then power down the FM3 again, and then in case if it does not do a refresh right when you power it back up, absolutely do refresh after new firmware. Alright guys, I'll be demoing this here in a few days, so have fun with it now and I will talk with you later.